going to talk about banana tree. The banana tree is the tropical plant that grows well in warm and dreamy climate. Its scientific name is Musa. It produces long curving fruit that are great with and crepe and yellow with crepe. Banana plant grow quality and can produce many fruit in one season. The banana tree support biodiversity in many ways. First is produce food for human, bird, insect, and wander animals. Its flower attract pollinators like bees and butterfly that help plant reproduce. Second, banana trees provide shade and shelter for small animals and insects. Their banana plant help improve the environment by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Their large leaves and roots also help protect the soil from erosion and keep it healthy. Even though banana trees are common, we still need to protect them and the environment around them. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation can affect banana farm and biodiversity. Planting and caring for trees and plants help protect nature and support both wildlife and people.